Morning students, welcome to e-learning classes. Students, today we are going to do book exercise of chapter number 7, people who help us, for class 1st subject EVS. First of all, we are going to do number 1, who am I? Choose the right word from the box. Students, here are 5 sentences. The different tasks that are performed by different people. The task performed by different people is written in these sentences, and you have to tell the person who performed these tasks. बेटा यहाँ पे 5 सेंटेंसेस लिखे हैं जहाँ पे अलग अलग काम करने वाले जो लोग हैं उनका काम लिखा हुआ है कि वो क्या करते हैं. आपने बताना है कि ये काम कौन सा पर्सन, कौन सा प्रोफेशन, कौन से प्रोफेशन के लोग जो हैं वो करते हैं. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज आई स्टिच क्लोथ्स. कैन यू टेल मी हु स्टिचेस द क्लोथ्स? यू कैन टेक द हेल्प फ्रॉम दिस बॉक्स. प्लम्बर, टेलर, कारपेंटर, इलेक्ट्रीशियन, फायर फाइटर. I stitch clothes. Who stitches the clothes? Tailor. The answer is tailor. बेटा टेलर जो है वो क्लोथ्स को स्टिच करता है. I make tables and chairs. Who make the tables and chairs? Carpenter. 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 Carpenter make tables and chairs. I put out fire. Who put out fire? That is firefighter. Fire, FIRE, fire. Fighter, FIGHTER. Firefighter put out fires. Number 4, I mend leaking taps. Who mend leaking taps? Plumber. This is plumber. 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 Plumber mends leaking taps and repair different types of taps who are not working properly, and they are also install the new taps also. Number 5, I fix your light and fans. Who fix our lights and fans? That is electrician. Electrician fixes our lights and fans. ELECTRICIAN. Electrician. So once again we are going to revise it. I stitch clothes. That is tailor. I make tables and chair. That is carpenter. I put out fire. Firefighter. I mend leaking taps. Plumber. I fix your lights and fans. Electrician. So you have to revise this topic. Now the next part which we are going to do, that is who use these things. Write their names under it. Choose the words from the box. Students, here are different types of tool which are used by different people who did different kinds of profession. अलग अलग तरह के काम करने वाले जो लोग हैं वो इन चीज़ों को यूज़ करते हैं, और आपने इन थिंग्स को, इन आर्टिकल्स को देख के ऑब्जर्व करके बताना है कि कौन सा आर्टिकल ये लोग यूज़ करते हैं. फर्स्ट वन, कैन यू रिकॉग्नाइज? दिस ऑर्गन इज यूज्ड बाय डॉक्टर. यस, this organ is this article, sorry, organ, this is article. This article is used by a doctor. What is this? This is a bus full of water, and it is used by firefighters to put out fire. It is used by firefighter. So what is this? Before I am going to write down the answer, you can give me the answer. Who used this machine? For what? This machine is used by a tailor to stitch clothes. And who used these objects? These objects are used by a sweeper for sweeping. And last one is used by a potter. This is a potter wheel and it is used by a potter to make pots. So this is your book work, and do this work on your books and revise it properly. Thanks and have a nice day.